The Boeing 777-300ER is a long-range, wide-body commercial airliner developed by Boeing. It's part of the Boeing 777 family, known for its efficiency, range, and capacity. Here are some key details about the 777-300ER. Key specifications: range, approximately 7,370 nautical miles, 13,650 kilometers. Seating capacity typically seats between 386 and 396 passengers in a three-class configuration, but can accommodate up to 550 in an all-economy layout. Engines, powered by two General Electric G90-115B engines, which are among the most powerful jet engines in commercial aviation. Maximum takeoff weight, MTOW 775,000 pounds, 351,534 kilograms. Wingspan, 64.8 meters, 212 feet. 7 inches, with raked wingtips to improve fuel efficiency. Length, 73.9 meters, 242 feet. 4 inches, making it one of the longest commercial aircraft. Cruising speed, Mach 0.84, about 560 miles per hour or 900 kilometers per hour. Features: ER is designed for long-haul flights and offers significant fuel efficiency, making it a popular choice for airlines on transcontinental and transoceanic routes. Cargo capacity: it has a substantial cargo capacity, which enhances its revenue-generating potential for airlines. Advanced technology: the aircraft features fly-by-wire controls, a modern cockpit with advanced avionics, and a composite structure that reduces its weight. The 777-300ER is widely used by airlines around the world due to its range, efficiency, and ability to operate long flights with high passenger capacity, making it a popular choice for routes between major international hubs.